Fires downhill the first pitch. And it's fouled off the backstop. Count goes 0-1. Holcomb, who began his collegiate career at Northeast Mississippi Community College, where as a freshman, he was one of the best pitchers in the nation. 0-1 breaking ball in there for a called strike on the out. 0-2 up and away on the changeup. 15 strikeouts, 1-2. Fouled off the backstop. 1-2 to Wilson. Swing and a miss on the breaking ball for strike 3. And Colby Holcomb's got his first strike from him after getting a ground ball double play last inning as Tyler Wilson digs in. First pitch fouled back out of play. 0-1, fastball upstairs. 1-1. Runner off. Throw it on second base from Lejeski is not in time. Good pitch to run. Good pitch. 2-1 is rolled to the right of the mound, and that will skip into center field for a base hit. Coming home to score is Matthews on the RBI base hit off the bat of Tyler Wilson, which just got out of the reach of Holcomb, the pitcher, and right between Beltre, the shortstop, and Rodriguez, the second. Gets 2 outs as Tyler Wilson takes a fastball low from Eminent Flores. Faces 3 batters. An error without a walk or hit allowed. Only the one base run on the air as the 1-0 is grounded sharply down the first base line. 1-1. Popped up back behind to home plate and foul. 1-2. Fastball up and away. 95 miles an hour. 2-2. Breaking ball in the dirt. Hughes it in. Split in the air between the FCL and Dunedin. It's a check swing on a breaking ball inside, and he did not go. And it's going to be challenged here. It's the pitcher, Flores. And it is indeed a ball.
The call is confirmed. Dunedin has 1 challenge remaining.
So Dunedin now has the 7th. 1-0 pitch to Hernandez. Breaking ball club, shallow left center. Coming on is Wilson, and he makes the catch on the run for out number 1.
Center fielder number 21.
Brings up Yohan Helaponte to brewing a comeback. Waving a miss by Tyler Wilson on the first pitch. The Dunedin team that has come back from down 6-0 in a game where they forced extra innings against Fort Myers a couple weeks back. 0-1 is clubbed deep into center field. Sending Aponte going back in front of the warning track in left center. He makes the catch for out number 1. Dunedin has come back from down 3 runs to win.